Welcome to a Viking cruise. We're on a Viking cruise right now. 118.
In the southwest, I contacted. We lost there.
We are in Kinderdijk, Netherlands. First full day on the Viking cruise. Lots of windmills. Oh, windmills! Woo! Look at the bike riding windmills. People on bikes by windmills. There's another windmill. There's so many windmills. Working on the windmill. This is called a miller because they work on the windmill. The inside of the windmill, this is what turns. So cool. We are inside the windmill right now.
That's a base.
From the 1800s. Another windmill. Windmill section. We're inside the windmill. Ah, cool. Traditional, yeah. Let's go look.
Wow, is this where you live?
Yeah. Inside a Dutch windmill. It's a windmill. Wind. Oh, a bed. Nice. And here's more windmills. Wow. Viking cruise, day 2, day 3, day 2. This is the first day, was day 0. And this is breakfast. Breakfast is the same every single day. Lunch and dinner changes, but breakfast is the same. Let me show you what's for breakfast. You're fine. Sorry.
No, it looks great.
It does.
There's a moment.
Has been bringing me down for so long now. I'm tired of the fight. That's why I'm trying to wake up with a new mind, new eyes, new way of looking at life.
Well, 1,000 out of billions is a small number, but of course every single person was building it up after his birth. So that's mentioned in the Bible, but those 3 wise men were the only kings.
Every time I look up into a sea of people reaching out for love, you ain't gonna tell me, ain't gonna tell me, gotta be.
What do we like? Or what do we think? What do we like?
What's been on my mind? Off my mind. And I'm feeling lately like I need a friend. I'm not ready for the world to end. I don't need the answer. Tell me, got a big inside in the war. Need a little something more to fill my soul. Get it off my mind. What's been on my mind? Off my mind.
Oh my gosh. Look at that.
Oh, yeah, great.
It looks delicious.
Wow. Gotta get a picture of this.
This is incredible.
It's a video.
Katie.
Oh my gosh.
Katie, Beth, look, I go.
Can I sneak past you for a second? Can I just walk past you for a second? So sorry. For a moment.
certain pension amount that you are allowed to live there. Otherwise, it's not. Yeah.
Cognac, and then it was sold until now German brandy. So let's put it on a code. All cognacs are brandy, but not all brandies are cognac. So by 1945, or this should be called brandy, and so on, all those distilleries in the current day how the cognac does. But then they not only using grapes, they also using fruits. Nobody? I'm quite shy to go alone.
It's kind of like straight up brandy with
It is.
coffee.
Can you try it, Mom?
Huh?
Can you try it?
No, I haven't tried it yet.
Can you try it now?
Should I try it?
Yeah. Let's try this. Let's have you both try it. Trying the Rudesheim coffee.
How is it?
Katie, see that big
Is it
castle
good?
there?
Yes, it's good.
Man, you see that
Get
big
one?
castle?
Should we get one, Tony?
It's awesome, yeah.
Am I too late? Can I ask for one? I don't think so.
I'm sure you can ask for one, yeah.
Yeah, you can get one, yeah.
It's starting at 1550. That is the coolest castle yet. There you go, you're good boy. Good man. Thank you.
Yeah, that's fancy.
Good little sandwiches. Sandwich on white.
You put butter over and it melts on the way through.
Oh, that would be good. You love Romans? That definitely wasn't.
We don't really eat them that much.
No.
No.
Here comes another castle, Chris. Where's Mark? Sleeping?
Yeah.
Yep.
Brandon, was this? Chris, was this yours? No.
I would think so.
Keeps it warm.
It's really sound. It's not big Logan Mountains area.
Yeah.
These charming as hell sunsets. We've got some kind of tourist train
I just
situation.
want to take a picture of what this is.
Some sort of charming tourist train.
I think that's the people with the boat going in, isn't it?
Cute.
Boy, it's beautiful.
And a beautiful walk back to the boat. Who?